Soak a piece of bread in vinegar. What happens next day? Calluses usually appear on toes and other parts of feet. This condition occurs when there is too much friction or pressure put on toe or hand skin, creating a defense mechanism that prevents the formation of infectious blisters and ulcers. Although in the beginning calluses don't cause pain or discomfort, they can turn painful over time, creating difficulties walking or doing other everyday activities. Note, other possible causes of calluses: dry skin, reduced body fat filling, constant rubbing with objects such as tennis racket or hammer. As we've already mentioned, calluses usually appear on feet because the biggest amount of pressure is put on them while walking. Athletes, pilot dancers, cooks and musicians are at bigger risk of getting calluses than other people. But you needn't worry, for we are going to show you the most effective homemade remedies that will help you get rid of the calluses in just a few days' time. These tricks are quite simple. You just need to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you have to do: bread and vinegar. You must try out the simple, yet very effective method. You just need to put a piece of bread in white vinegar and put it on the callus. Cover it with a gauze and secure with a bandage. Leave it on during the night and take it off in the morning. You will surely be surprised at the results. Lemon. This is what you have to do first: take the peel of an organic lemon and put it on the callus. Cover with a piece of gauze, secure with a bandage, and leave it on during the night. You can remove it in the morning. Castor oil. It's a very easy method. You just need to apply a little castor oil on your calluses before going to sleep.